Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing my BoxyCharm base box for February. If that sounds interesting, you want to see what I got, stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so very glad you decided to come hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, for anyone who's not familiar, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. It costs $25 a month, and you receive 5 full-size beauty items with an average value per box of $175. Keep in mind that is an average value, not a guaranteed minimum value. They also offer optional upgrades to your account. You can get Boxy Premium, which is a second box, which is $35 a month and has 6 to 7 items with an average value of about $215. Or you can also do what is called Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly upgrade in place of your base box. That is $49.99 per month, and the average value on that is over $300. So, but for this month, we just have our regular base box, again, $25 a month. So let's check it out and see what we got. So this month's theme is Valentine's Day, love, XOXO, not a surprise with it being February. And my variation, for those who are interested, C2102, which I believe means February of 2021. And I have 028-BA, which I believe is base box 028. So if you want to try and figure out if we're box twins, let me know if we are. But let's see what we got this month. Last month my base box was so much better than my premium box. This month I really enjoyed my premium box. So let's see how we did on the base box. The first thing I'm seeing is from Wander Beauty, and this is the Getaway Eye and Face Palette. I really like Wander Beauty, so I'm not unhappy about that at all. And let's open this up. I'm gonna have to get something to slit this puppy open. And there is the outside. And take the plastic out. There is a nice mirror here. But here is the inside. This would be a very nice sort of everyday, particularly if you're traveling. Or, you know, even going to work or whatever, just have something that you can throw in your purse that has everything in it. So this is your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and highlighter, enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And the retail on this is $36. And again, I mean, very neutral, but again, very wearable. The blush and highlighter shades I think would be okay. The highlighter might be a little much on my skin tone, but you know, I am very, very fair. But all in all, not unhappy. If you've watched my channel before, you know how much I hate when they have packaging that has color, because it tends to throw off, in my opinion, the shades when you're looking at them trying to get a feel for the palette. But I think it's a very, very wearable, and again, something that would be great to throw in your bag, whether it's a day trip or an actual trip. Kind of good, you know, sort of a one-shot does all. This, throw on a coat of mascara and some kind of, actually you don't even need a lip these days because we're wearing masks anywhere you go. So yeah, a little lip balm and a little mascara and this, and you're done. So not unhappy about that at all. Again, I really like Wander Beauty. This one, I'm already feeling okay about this box. Let's see what's next. Okay, next is from Saturday Skin, and this is Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. And this is a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. This unique jelly texture mask is crafted with yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than other citrus. Interesting. And they say make every day a Saturday. Well, I'm trying. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I like packaging. I've got a thing for packaging. I think it's very pretty. I haven't tried it. If you have, let me know down below. But you know, vitamin C is supposed to be very good for your skin. So let me know your thoughts if you've tried this. Again, retail on this is $29. So I'd give it a go. Okay, next, this is from the Beauty Crop, and this is Cocoa Gold Mist Hydrating Setting Mist. And I don't know if you can see it inside, but it's got, let me shake it, sort of like a snow globe. It's got actual like gold flakes or whatever in there, and there's some chunky stuff as well. I'm so sure how I feel about that. Let's see what they say about it. They say this hydrating fine mist envelops skin in moisture and helps set and refresh your makeup look. Cocoa Gold Mist includes a delicate amount of gold pearlescent shimmer that imparts a radiant glow while boosting hydration. And this has a retail value of $14.99. A setting mist that has that kind of glitter in it, no thank you. I don't know. If you tried it, let me know down below. I'm not so thrilled. Okay, next we have a brush collection, and this is from Glamiere. This is the Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. There is, on the back here, a Proposition 65 warning. It says warning for California residents, which doesn't mean it doesn't apply to the rest of us. It just means that by law they have to tell people in California this product may contain chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. I actually went online and looked, and it actually, the warning online in the pop-up shop actually mentions lead. And I have seen other creators who have contacted either BoxyCharm or Glamiere to find out what it is, and I will talk about that in just a second. But here is the bag that it comes in. They say these are glittery, enchanting, and fun, a set featuring 4 essential eye brushes, ultra soft duo synthetic bristles, make blending easy and flawless. So let's take these out. They are wrapped in plastic, so and if you can see in the handles, there is liquid, and they've got the little glitter hearts. I don't know if you can, hopefully you can see those. And apparently it is the liquid, the water that is inside that has the glitter floating in it is where there is lead content. So supposedly they are safe. It's not like it's in the ferrule or something like that. They say that they are safe to use around the eyes. But, you know, just be aware that that's what the warning is for, and that's what it's about. They're very pretty. You know, I like pink, and I like things that are glittery. They say these have an MSRP of $29.95 for this 4-brush set. These brushes themselves are not on the Glamiere website, but all of their brushes right now are on a major discount. They have 4 different 12-piece brush sets, which have a retail price of $84.95, and are discounted between between $27 and $39.95. So the fact that you can get a 12-piece full face and eye brush set for anywhere between $27 and $39.95, I got a hard time believing that this is something that really would sell for $29.95. This did not appear to be a sale that was noted that there was a special sale. There was 20% off on their whole website for Valentine's Day, but these brushes were all marked down like that, so I don't know if that's, you know, some retailers will actually do that. They'll give you a price and then they immediately slash it so you feel like you're getting a bargain. So I'm not so sure how I feel about these. They were in pop-up for $6. But yeah, I don't think it's quite fair to call these $29.95. If I could have gotten a complete 12-piece brush set by this brand Granted, it didn't have floating hearts in it, and it wasn't pink, but there was marbled ones, and there were ones with glitter handles and things for $27. So this one I'm not so thrilled about. Which is weird, because you know how much I love my brushes. Anyway, let's move on to our last product, which is from St. Luxe, and this is a limited edition liner duo. Here's the box. This is a lip liner duo that makes shaping easier than ever with creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula. The liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. So the two colors we have are Secret Admirer and Love Letter. Secret Admirer is on top. I do this an MSRP of $40. This is actually available on their website. They do say it's a new launch. I don't know if they, just as a duo as a new launch, or if they're just launching the lip liners. They are available in the pop-ups for $6 if you're interested. But I don't know, $20 a piece for lip liners from a brand I haven't heard of. Again, they may be wonderful. I don't know. But I don't use a lot of lip liners, so this one's kind of a miss for me. But again, that is everything. The base box is supposed to have an average value of $175, over $175 average value. Cost was $25. Total retail value of the things that I received, even giving them the $29.95 on that brush set, $149.94. So I didn't really get a great value. Did I get more than $25 worth? Yeah, I mean, that Wonder Beauty palette alone, it's a $36 value. I could have bought it for $12 in the pop-up though. I actually could have bought everything in this box on pop-up for $39. There's several items I wouldn't have bought, so. But in order to shop the pop-ups, you have to have a subscription. But if there is anything in the box that you were interested in, they were all available in the pop-ups as of the 23rd of February. And the Wonder Beauty palette is $12. The Saturday Skin is $9. The Beauty Crop Gold Sparkle Mist, $6. The brush set, also $6. And the lip liner duo was $6. So if any of those are things that you are particularly interested in and you don't want to wait and see if they show up in a giveaway at some point, they are available if you go over it, assuming the pop-ups are still going by the time I actually get this one posted. Anyway, if you've tried any of these products or you have any other comments, leave them down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.